If you want to buy the best dash cam for your car and still confused whether to get one for 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, first let's understand how many types of dash cams are there. First is a single channel dash cam which can record only front view. The second is dual channel dash cam. That means it can record both front view as well as rear view. And there are also some dash cams that comes with Wi-Fi connectivity and app support, which means you can operate and manage everything directly from your phone. Now, let's look at the key features. You generally get two types of dash cam, full HD resolution and 4K resolution. And then comes parking mode. In parking mode, it creates a time lapse. That means it can compress hours of parked footage into few minutes or seconds. And then there is a G sensor. If your car is having G sensor, it automatically triggers emergency recording during an impact or accident, which is very important for your car. Some dash cams comes with GPS built in. It logs both your vehicle's speed and location data. In this video, I have compared more than 50 dash cams that are available both on Amazon and Flipkart to help you purchase the best one according to your need. Now coming to under 5,000, you get two good dash cams. The first best option is QVO Dashcam Pro X. You can get this around 3,200 rupees. It features a 3MP camera with full HD resolution and 120-degree wide angle. Its night vision works quite well. It also features loop recording and a G sensor. It supports micro SD cards up to 1 terabyte of storage and offers Wi-Fi connectivity as well. Keep in mind that it doesn't come with a rear camera, so there is no rear recording, and it doesn't have a display screen as well, but is still one of the best options around 3,000 rupees. In the same price range, the second best option is 70mm M200. It offers only a native 1080p resolution with HDR, but the best part is that it features a Sony StarVis 2 sensor, which no other dash cams provides in this price range. And because of this, you will get exceptionally good low light performance. But keep in mind, you do not get GPS, but still you get both voice control and Wi-Fi support. And you can also insert up to 128GB SD card, and it is currently available for 4,000 rupees. So if picture quality is your priority, this dash cam is the best option. Now moving to segment 2. If your budget is somewhere around 7,000 to 8,000 rupees, there are two best dash cams. The second best option is the 70mm A200 dual dash cam. It records in 1080p from both front and rear camera, and you also get HDR and night vision for better night footage. A major advantage of A200 is that the front camera can record at 1080p at up to 60 fps. So compared with most 30 fps dash cam, the footage looks smoother and can be useful when vehicles are moving at a very high speed. But keep in mind, when HDR is switched on, the recording changes to 30 fps itself. It supports up to 128GB micro SD storage as well. Overall, it's a really good option if you want reliable dual channel recording at a price of just 8,000 rupees. Now comes to my best pick, QVO Pro 2.7K. If you still remember, 70mm A200 was having 1080p front and rear recording, but it is having 2.7K front recording and 1080p rear recording. So that means front footage captures more details. It also comes with built-in GPS, night pulse vision, G sensor and Wi-Fi support. QVO Dashcam supports micro SD cards up to 1 terabyte, which is a huge advantage over 128GB support on the A200. So basically, if you drive regularly, QVO is the better choice. This dashcam is currently available for around 9,000 rupees. So if both QVO Pro 2.7K and 70mm A200, they are both available at a similar price, the QVO Pro 2.7K is the more complete option overall. All dashcam best offer links for Amazon and Flipkart are in the video description and text section. If you still have any doubts, please comment.